Hi guys, I thought I would show you all how I put the paracord cord lock fastener on the face mask that I'm making. I came up with this design because elastic has become very difficult to come by. It also uses up very quickly. Also, I found it very frustrating and clumsy to tie blindly two bows behind my head. I'm sure doctors and nurses are very used to it, but for me, it made me sweat. So we're gonna do something else and I'll show you guys how I did it. So the materials I use for the cord lock design are these cord locks. This one here it's a double hole cord lock. It's got, it's a 6mm holes. See that? This little thing. And these here are 4mm holes. So if you're doing this, you want to make sure you use a cord or ribbon that you can at least slip through those holes very easily. I got this cord here. It's a paracord. It's a 1/8 inch thick, and I probably could have gone a little thinner and made it a little bit easier on myself. So I have another set coming in that's a little bit thinner than this. But what I did was I cut about 54 inches of paracord. You can see 54 inches of paracord, and I inserted the two ends into the holes of the paracord and tied a knot at the end. So this is what goes into the mask, and I have 3 of them here ready. Here's the mask that I made, which will insert the paracord. Okay, so here we go. In my experimentation, I tried 2 different methods of getting the paracord in the face mask. One was to first finish the end of the face mask and sew it down, leaving holes at the end, and then feed the paracord through there. That worked okay. It was a little frustrating. And then this other method is what I'm going to show you here. So I turn the raw ends of the face mask in like that. And then I take my paracord. I want to have the lock at the top, so I make sure that's showing up at the top. I fold the paracord in like so, and I stick it into my folded in ends, bringing them all the way to the end. I want to keep that loose. I don't want to sew the paracord in because we want to be able to move it within the mask. I need my glasses. And so then with the paracord in like that, I probably very clumsily, but as best I can, sew the ends together, backwards and forwards. Okay, that should hold it. And then I do the same to the other side, making sure that I keep the lock at the top side of the mask. Open it, fold it in. Top side, loop it in. Get it in there and out of the way of the needle. Get as close as you can to the cord. And sew the ends together. If by chance you happen to catch the cord when you're sewing, just rip those couple of stitches off and you'll be all right. Did I do that? Yeah. So you see, now the paracord moves in the mask, and once you have it on your face, you can lock it.